Good morning, guys. It is 5:41 in the morning right now.
Before we get too far into this, I just wanted to apologize for the crap audio. I tried a new mic cover to try to reduce wind noise, and I guess it just ruined the audio. You can still kind of understand, but it is kind of frustrating. It makes it hard to hear.
And I'm getting ready to head out to Indian River Inlet to try to catch tog and school stripers. So let's go. Hey, feel good, fish good. That calls for a stop to McDonald's. First thing to be throwing the bucktail, and I'm going to be bringing this out to the rocks. A few plugs and jig. Try to get some footage on GoPro. So, see you out there. The surf looks insane, but maybe 2 years ago I would have done it. Alright, so after about 20-30 minutes of fishing, I had no bites, and I only saw one fish caught off the beach out of the about 8 guys fishing here. So I'm going to go head over to Old Inlet to pick up some green crabs, and I'm going to start togging for the slack tide that's going to be here in about 20 minutes. So I got a green crab and clam set up right now on the top bottom rig using a 2.5 sinker. Still got some incoming tide, but that should slow down soon, so let's get into it. Got a jailbreak. Well, I got skunked at Indian River Inlet. Nothing new, to be honest. I saw like 5 or 6 tog get caught and 2 stripers out of probably 20 people I saw. So, not much there.
Well, that's a wrap for that video. Nothing really happened, more for just the scenery. But big things coming. We got spring break coming up, so hoping to do either a kayaking trip or a backpacking trip. So that should be pretty good. Stay tuned, and thanks for the viewership. See you later.